tomatoes under attack? Fungal problems turning your dreams into nightmares? Relax, fam. Today I'm dropping the top 3 organic sprays that will save your tomatoes and keep pests and diseases crying in the compost pile. Before I spray the first secret, hit like, subscribe, and comment below where you're watching from. Let's grow this green family across the globe. Spray number 1, neem oil solution, the natural assassin. This one is the OG of organic sprays. Neem oil doesn't just chase pests, it ruins their lives. How it works: neem interferes with the life cycle of over 200 pests. Aphids, whiteflies, spider mites, you name it. Recipe: 1 tablespoon neem oil, 1 teaspoon mild liquid soap, 1 liter of water. Mix it, shake it, spray it, especially under the leaves. Pro tip: spray early morning or evening to avoid sunburn on your plants. Spray number 2, garlic plus chili spray, the pest wake-up call. You think garlic scares vampires? Wait till you see what it does to garden pests. Why it works: garlic and chili irritate soft-bodied pests and send them running for cover. It's also antifungal. 2 birds, 1 bottle. Recipe: 1 garlic bulb, 1 to 2 hot chilies. Blend with 1 liter of water, let it sit overnight, strain, and add a few drops of soap. Pro tip: wear gloves, unless you want your hands smelling like a garlic samosa for 3 days. Spray number 3, baking soda fungus fighter. Got powdery mildew or early blight? Time to bring in the big guns from your kitchen shelf. Why it works: baking soda creates an alkaline surface that fungus can't stand. It's like kryptonite for tomato diseases. Recipe: 1 tablespoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon liquid soap, 1 liter of water. Shake well and spray on affected leaves, preventatively or when you spot signs of disease. Pro tip: don't overdo it. Use once a week max or after heavy rain. Bonus tip: mix and rotate. Don't just rely on one spray forever, pests get smarter. Rotate your sprays every 7 to 10 days to keep them guessing. It's like switching your Wi-Fi password on bugs. There you go, the top 3 organic sprays to protect your tomatoes the natural way. Tried any of these? Or got your own killer recipe? Drop it in the comments. And don't forget, comment where you're watching from, like this video, and subscribe to MKIRIKACHA TV for more powerful garden tips that actually work.